The Emu War was a military operation in Australia in the 30s to address public concern of the number of emus destroying crops. The unsuccessful attempts to curb the emus led to the deployment of Royal Australian Artillery soldiers armed with Lewis guns. Ornithologist Dominic Seventy commented, "The Emu Command had evidently ordered guerrilla tactics, and its unwieldy army soon split up into innumerable units that made use of the military equipment uneconomic." 6 days after the first engagement, 2,500 rounds of ammunition had been fired. The number of birds killed is uncertain, but one account estimates that it was only 50 birds. The commanding officer's official report noted that his men had suffered no casualties, except for their dignity.